takes natural beauty to an entirely new level. You might feel as though you are drifting off into a different world. Seeing these soaring limestone pinnacles for the first time is something you won't soon forget. From the emerald green waters to islets topped with lush greenery, it's a sailing experience like no other. This unspoilt UNESCO World Heritage Site lies in the Gulf of Tonkin. Halong is the Vietnamese word for descending dragon. A local legend in these parts has it that such a majestic beast and her offspring came to the bay to protect the locals. The dragons would attack anything that might harm the Viet people by spurting everything from fire and emeralds to jade at the impending threat. It's said that over time these jewels transformed into the towering formations throughout the bay. To truly experience this enchanting destination, many visitors take a junk boat tour. This way, it's possible to have a very close encounter with the islets and surrounding waters. You can watch the sunset on Halong Bay's horizon, fall asleep under the stars, and stir only when the warm rising sun wakes you. This coastal haven offers many activities and plenty of respite for travelers. It's an excellent place for scuba diving, rock climbing and hiking. The Biosphere Reserve of Cat Ba National Park is a particular favorite among visitors to the country. Whether you're paddling around the grottos and caverns, which have been shaped over decades, heading to a private island for some volleyball and relaxation, or living it up with the locals at a homestay, any amount of time spent here will be exceptional. It doesn't hurt that this is the best way to revitalize yourself